Gaming on smartphones has never been the same. And now, with the iPhone 15 Pro, the lines between console and mobile gaming blur even further. Hello, tech enthusiasts! It's another exciting day at the Gadget Corner. Today, we're diving into the revolutionary gaming capabilities Apple claims the iPhone 15 Pro will deliver. The specs, the hype, and the potential, we're covering it all. From the early days of mobile gaming to now, we've come a long way. And with the iPhone 15 Pro, it seems we're about to take a giant leap. The heart of the iPhone 15 Pro's gaming prowess lies in its A17 Pro chipset and the new GPU. These are not just designed for your regular tasks, they're built for intensive gaming. Genshin Impact, with its vast landscapes and intricate details, requires a lot of firepower. And if Apple's claims hold true, the iPhone 15 Pro is more than equipped to handle it, bringing console-level graphics to the palm of your hand. Then there's Resident Evil 4, a game that has been experienced on countless platforms. But on the iPhone 15 Pro, we might be witnessing it in its most visually impressive form yet. One of the standout features is the hardware-accelerated ray tracing on a smartphone. This tech, often reserved for high-end gaming PCs and consoles, promises to revolutionize mobile gaming visuals. Imagine more realistic reflections, better shadow dynamics, and an overall heightened sense of realism. That's what ray tracing brings to the table. But gaming isn't just about raw power. The 3nm architecture of the A17 Pro is Apple's bet on marrying performance with efficiency. Longer gaming sessions without overheating? It could be a reality with the iPhone 15 Pro. The iPhone 15 Pro's promise extends beyond just a couple of titles. From action-packed RPGs to racing simulators, the device aims to set a new gold standard for mobile gaming. The world of mobile gaming is on the cusp of a revolution, and the iPhone 15 Pro might just be its harbinger. Stay tuned to the Gadget Corner as we continue to bring you the latest and the greatest from the tech universe. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and until next time, stay curious and stay techy.